I'm Sean, and I manage the 413 apartments here. I suppose I'm the front of house person associated with Newmarket Yard. When we do viewings and we bring people up here, it's like a magnet. The first thing that people zone in on is hot tub, jacuzzi, more so than the plunge pool or the sauna. It is, because it's quite unique, and then when residents come here, certainly it gets great usage. It's used every day, no matter what the weather. And I suppose we were one of the first that included this wellness deck. But certainly the way it's been received by tenants and just by visitors or alike, certainly I think for any building it would be an addition to have this, and I can only really highly recommend Greg and his outfit, Crystal Bathrooms.